So you mentioned that initially Skeleton View was a private project and then you made it public. So you had to add a README file and you had to organize the code a little bit. If you want to build an open source project, what are the best practices that we can follow to make our project more accessible?
Okay, this is a really good question as well. For me, the one of the most the most challenging thing when you create an open source library is to create a good public API that the library should be easy to use, and also I have always in mind that when I developing new features in the library is that if anyone want to use your library, they don't have to create a strong dependency on it. So I mean, if anyone want to remove your library, won't be a pain, no? And then this is why, for example, Skeleton View don't use custom views or complex piece of code. Just the native components, and I extend this component, no? And this is for me is a good point that an open source project should have. Also, it's important to take care of breaking changes because it's a pain when you update a library, you know, and appear errors or warning and you don't know what happened here. So when you develop a new feature, you have to consider that you shouldn't modify the API too much. And it's true that it's not always an easy task, but yeah, it's something that when you make something public and release the version, you have to think that maybe you have to modify in the future, and then maybe it's not the best choice. No, you have to think more than if you are doing in your private project. No?